I'm sprawled out by this, hole covering Pemberton, little stuff going on behind me, and this Chinook helicopter, hurricane force winds are right above me, sliding me closer to this hole, so I drop out the rifle, sprawl out. I'm like looking up at this black mass, like looking at the wheel. I'm like, oh dude, they're gonna crush me. Luckily they didn't. He got extracted. He fell like 90, 75, 80, 90 feet, dude.
So did he slide down something, or did he hit water and that's why he didn't die falling that far?
Yeah, he hit water. He ended up getting out.